Hey, I'm Dirty Dan and welcome back to Greasy Boy Customs. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I picked up a really cool tool that I just really want to tell you about because it's freaking awesome and I'm a Milwaukee junkie. So let's talk about the new M12 pruning saw and what it can do for you. Let's go get started. All right, the first thing we're going to try out is I've got this plank off of a pallet. It's actually pretty beefy. It's almost 2 inches thick. I have no idea what kind of wood it is. Well, let's take a cut. Look at that. Nice clean cut. Didn't struggle at all. Let's try something a little bit bigger. Next, I've got this post. This is roughly close to the same size as a 4x4. Again, I don't know what kind of wood it is, but let's see what it'll do. Not too shabby. Cut things down like this. I've got this small tree in the backyard that needs to go. Just slices through it like it's nothing. It's not binding. It's cutting great. Now you can get it close and just push it down. Look at that. Good to go. Or maybe you want to do something more reasonable with it, like just trim up the trees. Too easy. Now you can see what it's capable of. We'll go over a couple of features on it. Now it does have a safety lock here that you have to push in order to engage the trigger. It does have a cover that comes with it to guard your chain and your bar area. It does come with the tool to adjust your chain, and this is where you put in your bar oil. You take this cap off and pour it in. It uses the bar oil pretty sparingly. It does not eat it up very quick. I filled it up and I had burned through 3 batteries before I had to add more oil. This thing is really nice, compact, easy to use. Anybody of any size can handle this. I'm pretty sure my 10-year-old daughter can handle this thing just fine. Use the 4.0 battery after cutting up a pallet and cutting down a couple trees about 6 inches in diameter and also cutting up some 4x4s. I only went down 1 notch on my battery. I still have 3 notches of power left on it. It's a really cool, awesome tool. And I'm a Milwaukee junkie, and there's no doubt. I usually buy my Milwaukee tools through my Cornwell dealer, Richard Palmer, right here, based out of North Carolina. But it is available to purchase through Home Depot and Northern Tool and other online retailers. The kit that comes with a battery and charger runs about $250. I bought the tool only because I already have a substantial amount of chargers and batteries, and the tool only runs about $180 from local and online retailers. If you guys have any questions, message me. And if you want to, go check out their big 18-volt chainsaw they have. It'll definitely make you a believer in battery-powered tools taking over the world. Until next time, happy hot rodding and lumberjacking, I guess. Whatever. We'll see you guys next time.